Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Happy Thursday. I'm doing a VR for Redneck Renegade, Mr. Neck. Bill Melton's birthday is coming up a week from Friday, so August 6th. I was just thinking about the date and I forgot it immediately. So I want to come out and do a little memorial burn for him and do a VR for Mr. Neck. And I'll get to it. Alright, so I got a cupcake for Mr. Bill. Unfortunately he's not here. I would be happy to give it to him. I got a Bang birthday cake energy drink because it said birthday cake, and as I was walking by I'm like, oh, that's too funny. And then I've got some magnesium shavings here. I actually do have fat wood, but I decided to do something a little different. I'll use some magnesium in honor of our brother Bill. I got the Strike Force. Man, I remember like when these were the all the rage. Like, you weren't an outdoorsman if you didn't have a Strike Force. Wow. Huh. I didn't think it was possible for magnesium to not light. Guess I'll bust out some fat wood. Alright. Got this cut up off camera. There we go. Happy birthday, brother. This one's for you, Bill. Wow. That tastes just like chocolate cake, or birthday cake. Well, that's crazy. Alrighty, well, as always, I appreciate you all watching. If you'd like, head on over to Redneck Renegade's channel, give him a look, maybe a sub. I will link Bill Melton's channel down below. Maybe go to his last video and wish him a happy birthday or something. And as always, I thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. It really does taste just like chocolate cake, or not chocolate cake. It tastes just like birthday cake. It's weird. It's crazy. It's like birthday cake in liquid form. I'm sure Bill wouldn't mind since he's not here.